Hello guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. So the last video I did was just talking to you about my YouTube channel and stuff like that. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you a farm tour part 2. So if we just walk into the shed here, Diet Pepsi, or Diet Cola. So if we walk in here, as you can see we have a shed. This is a grain store, or grain shed. This is a store that's going to be using for like that space here, this space here, that's going to be for grain. Over the wall there, that's for wheat. And then this bit here, that spout up there, we'll drop down the barley. We'll get the loader and then we dump it. We're going to put it over there. So yeah, this is a good grain store. Not too bad. Right, there'll be a part 3 to this. I need to do. So, oilseed rape bags, additive or Roundup for your sprayers, grass seed for the sower, box mouse traps. Here's the equipment for the videos that I did. Here's the spike. This used to be a manure fork. Now it's changed into a spike. The pallet forks with the cage. We've got the bar. So this is hook on. This is hook on ones. Trash back. Bar forks. A little bucket. Over there's the big bucket, and I'll come around here. In this shed, we've got a big dryer. This is the dryer that's going to dry this. If you want to see content in the fields, then please like this video. Tractor. Yeah, this is our big hopper. We get this stuff. Tip it up there. Barley. And then we're gonna go and take a video of my dad reversing the trailer. So here we've got cow shed. So we've got cow pens. Got a feed pass. Got a trough. There's my dad just coming in just now. So I'll be quiet for this part.